Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. Totally just dipped my blanket in the
That's all.
It's very cold out here, people, in case you were wondering. Nice bright and early in the morning. Sun on the horizon. Water on our tie-dye. Colors in that.
I'm gonna go do most of this
To the inside?
Got a good chuckle out of you there, hey? Getting it unbanded. Only make that your catchphrase. It always sounds weird when I say it. I don't know why. Make that your own somehow. Look at that. I love these, by the way. The rainbow rings is like one of my favorites all time ever. Of the spirals, at least. I want to do a cosmic one, a real cosmic one soon.
What we got? Woo! Look at that. I'd say that's a win. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, woo, wow. Wow, wow, woo, wow.
For sale.
Yeah, for sale, people. Check us out. Etsy.com. Visit Prison Tie-Dye. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that came out pretty good. We'll hang it up here. This is our rainbow rings, neon rainbow rings spiral. Good colors on all the edges. Look at that hot pink there, all the way out to the sleeves. Oh yeah, came out really, really good. Nice spiral effect with a good little marble in it. Oh yeah. Came out pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.